Okay, let's continue with our steel structure. We are going to do an FEA analysis on the structure, applying some load in the middle and see how it's affected. So I'm going to step by step walk you through the process. So you go to Application, Simulate, and under Refine Model, Review Geometry, you can see the connection is a bonded interface, and the weld part wasn't even there. So let's define this weld feature by choosing it, choosing the geometry. Sometimes when this happens, you need to just regenerate the model and go back, regenerate, and go to the simulation again and go through the process one more time. Overwrite, the material is good. Now we need to the interface between this part, and by right clicking you can find this surface. It should be free or contact. Let's choose free for this one. This means it can go through the part, but and only the welded surface can restrict the motion. So let's choose a free interface for the other side as well. This one, and by right clicking you can find it. Surface to surface, free, okay. And now we need to apply some load in the middle, but by dividing the surface first. This component should be sketch on this, define some references to sketch it. And choose rectangle, 500 and 1750, and the dimension from the other part is 1715 to, so yeah, and divide. Under home you can go to force or just click on it and go force in the direction minus y direction, 100 kilonewtons, and the force is applied. The material is assigned for the whole part, the whole assembly. And now we just need to define some displacement, or in FEA language, boundary condition. By choosing control, you can choose both surfaces and lock them in the translational direction. Now the forces are applied, the material, the boundary condition, and the contacts are right, I guess. Review geometry, apply, and as you can see it's free to move in from this, but the welded parts are bonded. So yep, home and do a new static analysis, and let's name it steel structure. Okay, and run it. Okay, so when the simulation is completed, you can go to show the results, deformed, and let's say 3%, scaling 3%, and show the loads and constraints, and animate this maybe with the frame rate 64. And now, as you can see, this simulation is running smoothly, and the maximum stress is 167 megapascal. You can take the animation away and see the results and show the max. It's somewhere around this welded surface, welded area. So this is how you simulate this structure. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.